Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO A79, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. To do it, you need to open settings and find here battery. In battery you need to click power saving mode and here enable power saving mode. In this mode your smartphone will live longer because it uses less battery power. In this mode less processor performance, less RAM, and because of it lives longer. Then disable all unnecessary features like location services, for example, disable NFC, disable nearby share, disable personal hotspot, reduce screen brightness. Of course, here we have LCD screen, so we don't need to enable the dark mode, it uses on this device. Click super power saving mode if you wanna make your device alive during several days from one charging, but in this mode you can use only 6 applications, and it's better if you will use only these 3 applications. But of course, if you need other apps you can add it, but in this way your device will live shorter than you can see here. And to close this mode, just click exit on the left top corner of your screen. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.